Back at Laughanstown again. Can't seem to get away from the place. But the thing I didn't do last week, I didn't properly show the two alignments. So this is the Lewis alignment that was opened in September 2010. And in the distance you have the tunnel there. And on the right hand side of the tunnel you have the Harcourt Street line alignment. And what I spotted a few minutes ago was a telegraph pole, which there wouldn't be many left in the line, maybe only a couple in total. Maybe that's the only one, but once the restrictions are lifted on the 12th, I'll get to go the rest of the line from Dundrum up to the city centre, so I must look out for any telegraph poles. But there was one on Milltown Viaduct until the construction work started there in the early 2000s, but yeah, that was a good find to have. And then you can see the alignment. The thing about these alignments are normally, because the track bed would be ballast, the weeds would push through and trees would grow through the ballast, and so that's how they become quite distinctive with the nature that takes over saplings and the growth of trees and so forth. And just behind me here now you have a couple of houses that were built after the line closed over 60 years ago, and you have these fern trees. And then as I move on down here on the platform, we can see the sad remains of the gatekeeper's house there. There's the chimney and the burnt out roof, and there's a wall there which was where the line was, where the level crossing was, and the tracks embedded into the road. And you have a pillar post across the road, so it wasn't like a traditional wooden level crossing that you'd have in Bray or Sydney Parade or whatever, DSE or level crossing. It was just a double signal. And the picture that you actually see of the LD collection that I must post again. And so there's more fern trees. They weren't there during the line. What I want to impress upon you is where the alignment was, and any connection, any tangible connection with the past. So you have this tree straight in front of me here now, and it's covered in ivy. That was there 60 plus years ago. So the alignment would have gone straight down. There's another tree in the distance there. That was there. And the line would have kind of curved in towards that pylon there and headed on towards, there's a fencing area down at Tullyvale where I live, and would have headed towards the Bridesmen Viaduct. So I just wanted to clarify in this video the alignment from just going right back here, and we take her back to the tunnel. So you see the way it curved in from Tully Gates, and then straight down, and then headed towards the viaduct. So just to give you a geographical indicator of where it was.